zombie. Didn't you always suspect? Poetry is the past that breaks out in our heart like a virus, like an infection. How many poems about the dead one who isn't dead, the lost one who semi-persists, nudging hungrily up through the plant litter, the waste paper scratching against the window. Take a once young lover encountered 50 years later in the dim light of the foyer. How blunt and smudged he is, Mr. Potato Head, without the stick on features. Someone you grope to remember. Was it him who licked your neck and the clumsy Play-Doh monster you made at the age of 4, then squashed in a fit of anger so his colors ran together? He turns up on your doorstep on a chill November night with the rain whispering sushi, sushi, and the tongueless mouth mumbling your name. Stay dead, you conjure. You who once wanted the past back, nothing doing. The creature ambles through the dim forest. A red, weeping monosyllable, a smeared word, tasting of sorrow. Now it mutters and shambles in a nimbus of dry ice fog, down the garish, overdone corridor of Gothic clocks into the mirror, the hand on your shoulder, the almost hand. Poetry